you can see, today we're going to look at making this Lego model of Harry Potter's car. So let's undo the box and have a look to see what's inside. So inside the box we have two packages. A package that says number 1 on it, and a package that says number 2 on it. We have a booklet which has got all the information to make the item, and then we have, you can see those, there you go, we have the registration for the machine. So let's have a look inside bag number 1. So the first thing it's showing us is how to make one of the characters, Harry. So let's go ahead and make that. Just one piece I can't find, guys. Looks like his wand is missing. So if we put Harry just there, and just make sure there's nothing left into the bag. So there we've got the first part of Harry and a rat. So let's have a look at the second part. So it's showing us one long black one and one grey one. So instead of you watching me make this up, what I'm going to do is I'm going to make up the first part, all these, and then I'll come back to you. I may show you little bits. Sorry guys, here we go. Okay, and I'll come back to you in a little while. There you go guys, some part of the chassis, axles for both wheels, back is there, front is there. So you can see a bit more done. We're on page 23 of the instruction booklet, still on bag 1. So you don't want to bore you with what you're watching every single detail, so I'll come back when I know a bit more.